I think that we have indeed ourselves the fact that we don't build solutions per se. We adapt the solutions to our clients. So basically, we see what our clients need. We also work with them, what kind of model they want at the end, and we are pretty much flexible. So I think that one advantage that we have, besides having the metallic structure company, we also have the capacity to have engineers and project teams to build projects tailor-made to our clients. And so that's itself, it's a very positive commercial pitch because we are flexible, we can be fast, and we can scale up according with the needs, and we've been doing so with success. So we've been asked for clients to build houses, but we've been doing container houses, and we've been doing that for long. We also been doing that in offices. We have the capacity to do retail, but I think that the last challenges that we've been facing, and it were positive ones because that pushed us to be better into the different, is about finishes. So it's by having a bit of architecture so that you don't feel that you are on a painting container, but you are. So companies talk about how to care about their people and life and conditions. So we bring that to companies. So without an extra cost that stops the possible business to happen, we definitely tailor and make people comfortable and happy to having a product that is different from the majority. We are a company that follows international procedures. Our client, we work with major oil and gas companies and big companies across the country. So the standard is the same, but we're just proud to be making them here with our people, with our capacity, and that makes us proud. So in fact, it's an Angolan product, and it's tailor-made to the necessity of Angolan companies as well as foreigner in the same kind of specific way, in the same certifications and so on. I think that we are proud to say that we have 92% of our employees that are Angolan. So basically, Angolan are the majority force inside our company in all levels of the company. And we're happy to do that. I think the group gives us flexibility. I think on the commercial sense, on a creative sense, and so basically we have their support when we need to create something new. We have the experience of our people that worked in Angola but also worked in other places, and basically we have more people gathering around the table to draw the exact product for our final client. So basically it's a very big synergy. It's impossible to have all these skills inside one company due to costs and that's something that we are pleased to have, and definitely it's great. So definitely it's a great. The event is it comes at a great 50 years. It's a big event. I think that if we weren't here, we weren't having this conversation with the opportunity to speak about what we do, and also to learn with people that also work in the same sector in others. So it's an opportunity to collaborate, to listen to others, to understand where are the future of our industry. And we are very glad for one time to participate, to give our own opinion about it, and to hear from others. So I think in here we shape the future also, and we talk about it, which is great.